Hi guys, and welcome to this lesson. In this video I will solve this question on percentage or compound interest. Okay, now the question reads: Maria invests $2,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest compounded annually. Which of the following represents the value of her account after 8 years? All right, now bear in mind that we are talking about compound interest here. This is compounded annually. Now what it means is this: that by the end of the first year she will have $2,000 multiplied by 5% increase is 105 over 100. Okay, and this is same thing as 2000 times 1.05. Okay, so this is the amount she will have at the end of year one. Okay, now since this is compounded annually, this total amount will be carried over and multiplied by 1.05 for year two. So for year two, we'll have the year one amount multiplied by 1.05, which is, this is for year one. Then for year two, multiplied by 1.05. So this is year two, right? This is year two. Then for year three, you have 2000 multiplied by 1.05 multiplied by 1.05 multiplied by 1.05. Okay, then this is for year 3. Now did you notice any pattern here? You see that for year 1, this one is same thing as raised to the power 1. For year 2, it will be raised to the power 2. For year 3, it will be raised to the power 3. Then for year 8, okay, for year 8 we'll have 2000 multiplied by 1.05 to the 8th power, and that option here is B. Thank you for watching, and please, if you gained something from this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video for more interesting ones like this. Thank you and goodbye.